Okay, first you need to right click on the Valorant shortcut file, go to properties. I am going to show this tutorial using Firefox. The process is similar. Then after, go to compatibility tab, tick the run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select this one. In this list you will be able to find Windows 10 option. You have to select that one. Then after, tap on apply and OK. Then after, you can navigate to your installation file. It will be C, Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Win64. Then you will be able to find Valorant win64.shipping.exe file. Right click on it, go to properties as I shown earlier. Then after, go to compatibility tab, tick the check run this program as an administrator. I am going to show that using Firefox. So you can see in the compatibility tab there is option called run this program as an administrator. Just tap on apply, tap on OK. Sometimes Valorant servers experience in downtime or congestion, so you can find that their official website if their servers are down, or then after you have to wait for issue is resolved. Other than that, you can right click on your start menu, go to device manager. So double tap on display adapters. If you have separate graphic card, you will be able to find that here. Right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. So if there are latest update available for that graphic driver, you will be able to download it. Once it is done, you can close this one. And Valorant need TPM 2.0 on your computer. So you have to restart your PC and enter BIOS setting by just pressing delete key F2 or F10 during booting. There is option if your computer is available TPM 2.0, you have to option to enable TPM 2.0 and secure boot options, enable both them. Then after, save and exit from BIOS. Then try to relaunch. If you see the error kind of Valorant cannot be launched with your current compatibility mode, you can right click on a shortcut of the Valorant. Then after, go to compatibility tab. If you tick this one previously, you have to untick this one and tick the run this program as administrator like this. Then after, tap on apply and OK. Or you can tick this one and change another Windows version to check that working or not. Then after, you can restart that service. Go to taskbar and task manager. In the process section, you will be able to find VGC option when you are running that game. Right click on that one and then you will be able to find restart option in this list. Just tap on it to restart. Then after, relaunch the Valorant. Sometime your game has some corrupted files kind of thing, so you can use the Riot game client to fix that issues, or you can reinstall the Valorant to repair the corrupted files. And finally, if you are using third-party antivirus software like Avast, McAfee kind of thing, you have to temporarily disable or block that to run that application, because some of the files will be blocked default by virus card. So you have to disable that virus card and then try to install it. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe.